Welcome to Pro Speak English. Let's learn to speak English with confidence.
Hello and welcome back. Today we are talking about something delicious, fruit. Everyone has a favorite taste. Some people like sweet things, while others prefer sour flavors. In this first conversation, we will talk about what kinds of fruit we enjoy eating the most. Listen carefully to how we describe the taste.
Sarah, look at this fruit basket. Which one do you want?
They all look very fresh. I think I want a banana.
A banana? Do you really like them? They are a bit boring.
I love bananas because they're very sweet. What about you?
I prefer fruits that are a little bit sour. Sweet fruits are too much for me.
So, you probably like the green apples more than the red ones.
Exactly. Green apples are crisp and tart. They wake me up.
I find green apples too sour. They make my face scrunch up.
That is the best part. What about oranges? Do you like them?
I like oranges, but only if they are ripe and juicy.
Sometimes oranges can be sour too. It is a surprise.
True, I definitely prefer mangoes over everything else, though.
Mangoes are very sugary. I can only eat a small slice.
I could eat a whole mango by myself. It is nature's candy.
Nature's candy? That's a funny way to say it.
Well, it's true. Do you like any sweet fruits at all?
I do like strawberries. They are sweet, but also a little tangy.
Strawberries are wonderful. We should buy some next time.
Okay, but for now, pass me that green apple, please.
Here you go. Enjoy your sour snack.
Thank you, Sarah. I certainly will.
Did you hear how we use the word prefer? When you like one thing more than another thing, you prefer it. For example, Tom prefers green apples, but I prefer bananas. Try to use this word today when choosing your food. Next, we will talk about a very special fruit that only comes in summer. Welcome back to our fruit series. Some fruits are available all year long, like bananas, but other fruits are seasonal. This means they only grow during specific times of the year. Today, we are discussing the most popular summer fruit, the mango. Let's listen to why people love it so much.
Is it summer yet? I am tired of the cold weather.
Not yet, Tom. Why are you in such a rush for summer?
Because of the mangoes. I miss eating fresh mangoes.
Oh, I forgot. You really love mango season, don't you?
It is the best time of year. The grocery store smells amazing.
I agree, but you have to be careful when choosing them.
Why? I just grab any mango I see.
No, you must check if they are ripe. They should be slightly soft.
I usually look at the color. Yellow means it is ready, right?
Usually, yes, but the smell is the most important part.
Okay, I will smell them next time. Do you like mango juice?
I love fresh mango juice with ice. It is very refreshing.
My mother used to make mango pickle. That was very sour.
Green mango pickle? That is delicious with rice.
It is too spicy for me now. I prefer the sweet fruit.
There are so many different types of mangoes, too.
I don't know the names. I just know they taste good.
Fair enough. We still have to wait 2 months, though.
2 months? That feels like forever.
Be patient. It will be worth the wait.
I guess I will eat bananas until then.
Notice how we talked about ripe fruit. When a fruit is ripe, it's ready to eat. If it's hard or green, it's unripe. Waiting for fruit to become ripe requires patience. In the next video, we're going to the market to check the prices. Hello again. We are continuing our conversation about fruit. We talked about taste and seasons, but now we must talk about money. Fruit prices can change a lot. Sometimes fruit is cheap, and sometimes it is very expensive. Let's listen to a conversation about shopping for fruit.
Did you see the price of the grapes today?
No, I did not check. Are they expensive?
They are incredibly expensive. The price has doubled.
That is strange. Usually, grapes are cheap this time of year.
Maybe they're imported from another country.
That makes sense. Imported fruit always costs more money.
I decided not to buy them. It was too much for my budget.
Good decision. What did you buy instead?
I bought a bag of oranges. They were on sale.
I love a good sale. How much were they?
They were half the price of the grapes. A great bargain.
Are they local oranges? Local fruit is usually fresher.
Yes, grown right here in the region. They smell sweet.
You saved money and got better fruit. You are a smart shopper.
I try my best. I also saw some watermelons.
Watermelons are huge. How much was one?
It was cheap, but it was too heavy to carry home.
Maybe next time we can go together and I can help you.
That would be helpful. We can split the cost too.
Perfect. We can have a fruit picnic.
Great plan, but no expensive grapes allowed.
Deal. We'll stick to the affordable fruits. We used the words expensive and cheap. Expensive means it costs a lot of money. Cheap means it costs a little money. When something is very cheap, we can call it a bargain. Do you look for bargains when you shop? Up next, we're going to prepare a fruit salad. Hello! Now that we have bought our fruit, it is time to prepare it. We're going to make a fruit salad. This involves washing, peeling, and chopping. These are very common action verbs you can use in the kitchen. Watch how we work together.
Okay, I washed the apples. What should I do next?
Please dry them with a towel. Then we can chop them.
Do I need to peel the skin off the apples?
No, keep the skin on. It has a lot of vitamins.
Understood. What about the bananas?
You definitely need to peel the bananas first.
Of course. Should I slice them into rounds?
Yes, small round slices are perfect for a salad.
I am also adding some grapes. Do they need cutting?
If they are big, cut them in half. If they are small, leave them whole.
This bowl is getting very full. It looks colorful.
It looks beautiful. We need a dressing to put on top.
Dressing? Like mayonnaise?
No, that would be gross. I mean honey or lemon juice.
Oh, that sounds much better. Let's use honey.
Just a little bit. We don't want it to be too sticky.
I am mixing it all together now. The colors are blending.
Be gentle. Don't crush the fruit.
Don't worry, I am being very careful.
It looks ready. Do we have any forks?
The forks are in the drawer. Let's eat.
In this lesson, we used Kijun verbs: wash, dry, peel, chop, slice, and mix. These are the steps to make food. Which step do you find the most difficult? I think peeling is the hardest. Join us for the final video where we will blend everything into a drink. Welcome to the final video in our fruit series. We talked about preferences, seasons, prices, and cooking. Now we are looking at health. Sometimes we drink our fruit instead of eating it. We are making a healthy smoothie. Listen to how we describe the ingredients.
I need some energy. I feel tired today.
A fruit smoothie is perfect for energy. Get the blender.
Okay, what should we put inside?
Let's use the leftover bananas. They give potassium.
Potassium is good for muscles, right?
Yes, and let's add some berries for antioxidants.
I have frozen blueberries. Are those okay?
Frozen is great. It makes the drink cold and thick.
Should I add sugar? I like it sweet.
No sugar. The fruit is sweet enough naturally.
Fine. What liquid should I pour in? Water?
You can use water, but milk or yogurt is creamier.
I will use yogurt. It has protein.
Good choice. Now put the lid on tight.
Here we go. It's gonna be loud.
Turn it off. It looks smooth and purple now.
Let me pour it into 2 glasses. One for you, one for me.
Cheers to our health.
Wow, this is delicious. I feel more awake already.
See? Healthy food can taste good too.
You were right. I will make this every morning.
Thank you for learning with us today. We hope you enjoyed these conversations about fruit. We covered preferences, seasons, shopping, preparing, and health benefits. Fruit is a great topic for practicing English because everyone eats it. Please like and subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.